All right, so we're under GE dryer. We're going to be removing the belt, and I want to show you, you have the idler arm, and to make it easier for you to install the belt, you can grab that arm, push it down, it locks onto the motor, and then you're able to install the belt without fighting with that thing. Hopefully I can grab it from this side. This is what you do. You just push the arm down. You push this down. Locks right there. Now you can put the belt on again. Then you just release this, so you don't have to fight with it. All right. Here's another angle, especially on GE dryers. Trying to get their belt on can be a real pain. As you can see, it has a little slot or a little knob. And once the idler is sitting there, all you have to do now is just roll the belt, insert it, or roll it around the motor. Just make sure that the belt is in a good alignment with the drum. And that's it. Then you just release it. Done. Thanks for watching.